Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about repurposing your digital content. Because we all know how long it takes to write one solid blog post, so why let it live and die on your website? I'm going to show you how to use AI, specifically ChatGPT, to repurpose one blog post into an entire week of social content and an email newsletter as well. I'll take a real blog post and show you step by step how to turn it into fresh content across multiple platforms as well. So we'll start off with ChatGPT. So I've got ChatGPT open here. First, I'm going to tell ChatGPT what it's working with. The more context, the better. So here is the prompt I'm going to give. I'm framing ChatGPT to work with the tone that I'm giving it, and I'm also giving it the full blog post as well. So I've basically said, you are an expert digital content strategist and copywriter for skincare brands. I have a blog post that I want to repurpose into multiple formats for social media, newsletters, and newsletters. Here is the blog post. I've then asked it to do several things towards the end. This is mainly for platform-specific prompts. By doing this, I'm positioning ChatGPT as a strategist, not just a writer, and we'll get more creative and brand-consistent outputs as well. So I've asked it for an Instagram carousel, LinkedIn post, X Twitter thread, and email newsletter snippet. We'll start off with the Instagram carousel. So I've said Instagram carousel, short engaging slide copy. First slide should be a hook. Each tip becomes a slide. Last slide a call to action to visit our website or shop. Keep it conversational and visually appealing. So here is our Instagram carousel copy repurposed from blog content. We've asked for the slide. It's purposed the slide exactly how you want it. So slide 1 was the hook, with the final slide being the call to action as well. You can then use this text in Canva to design a carousel. I like to copy these into a design template for speed as well. Next one we're going to do is for LinkedIn, and this is the prompt I'm going to use for LinkedIn. Repurpose this blog post into conversational LinkedIn post that opens with a relatable problem, adds key value points, and ends with a question to encourage engagement. Keep it under 150 words, which is typically how you want a LinkedIn post to be set up. So here we go. So we've got this prompt now, or this post now for our LinkedIn. This one's perfect for brand storytelling or thought leadership. And notice how the tone is more reflective than promotional as well. So great. Within under a minute or 2 minutes, we've got a blog post, and we've also got an Instagram carousel, and we've got a LinkedIn post as well. Now let's repurpose it for Twitter or X. Create a 7-tweet thread based on this blog post. Start with a hook tweet that grabs attention, then break down the blog into clear numbered insights, end with a call to action or key takeaway. You can schedule this straight into your social calendar or pull quotes from it for reels, captions, or anything like that. And lastly, we have the email newsletter prompt as well. So here's the email newsletter prompt. Summarize this blog post into a short newsletter section. Use a friendly, informative tone. Include short hook, summary of key takeaways, and a short call to action to read the full article. So this gives you the perfect bite-sized section for your next newsletter without writing from scratch as well. Once you've done this, you can sort of automate the process. You can use like a folder system, blog to social, where each new post gets its own repurposing doc. And you can even save your ChatGPT prompts as reusable templates as well. So that's how you would turn one blog post into a week's worth of content using ChatGPT. Find this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.